Is there anything that can be done to stop hair loss and promote hair growth naturally? If you're losing your hair and you're asking the above question, then you're at the right place at the right time. You're about to discover some simple but proven tips and remedies that you can start applying today to stop hair loss and promote hair growth in the shortest amount of time possible. You see, hair loss is a problem that many people face today. It is caused by a variety of reasons, and so what works for one person may not necessarily work for you. However, in our experience, the best way to combat hair loss and speed up hair growth is to attack the problem both internally and externally. Now, what does this mean? Well, most people think that they can just apply some topical solutions to their head to see results, but that's not the case. More than 80% of your hair growth has to do with what you put or don't put inside your body. For example, if you're not getting enough zinc or iron from your diet, chances are you could have a zinc or iron deficiency, which can lead to hair loss. You also need to get the right vitamins and minerals and proteins to supply your hair follicles with the nutrients so that they can grow. In short, to get your full head of hair back, you need to do a combination of things for the best results. In this video, you're about to discover 3 categories of things that you can do to speed up your hair growth. Number 1. An ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. You should avoid doing things that may speed up your hair loss problem. For example, avoid using curling irons, hair dryers, and make sure to only use 100% organic and natural products in your hair. You should also make sure to keep your hair clean, as dirt and grease can clog your follicles and stunt your hair growth. Number 2. Supply your hair with adequate nutrition. It is a known fact that we'll never get all the vitamins and minerals we need from just the food that we eat on a daily basis. So what is the solution? Well, you can take an effective all-natural supplement that has been standardized to contain all the vitamins and minerals you need in the right dosages for hair growth. There are quite a few effective ones on the market. Just make sure to do adequate research before you spend your hard-earned cash on a product that may be useless. The alternative is to just check out the links in the description below this video to see the products that we recommend. And number 3, treat your hair with the right products. Starting with your shampoo and conditioner, make sure to use ones that are chemical-free, paraben-free, and doesn't contain any dyes, sulfates, synthetic fillers, or preservatives. It is also important to use larger tooth combs, as the smaller ones can put too much strain on your hair and pull them from the roots. Now, in conclusion, depending on the source of your hair loss, making a few changes can really remedy the problem. Just ensure that you are getting the right vitamins and minerals and using the best products in your hair, while taking extra care not to do things or use products that could worsen the problem. If you are suffering from hair loss and you're looking for the best products that can regrow your hair naturally and fast, we invite you to check out Folexin. Thousands of people are already using this product and getting amazing results, and it is one of the top products on the market. Check out the links in the description below this video or visit our website at hairburrell.com to learn more. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon.